Welcome back to the channel. Today we will make a beautiful handmade jute rose, and how we create it I will share you to heart touching story, a story about how you one jute, one rose carried a secret message that changed someone's life. You need just jute rope, hot glue, scissor, a wooden stick or flower while optional beads or lace. In a small town lived a girl named Alina. She was not a professional crafter, but she loved making small jute flowers for her grandmother. Her grandmother always said, "A handmade rose never dies because it carries the heart of the one who made it." Life was simple until one day Alina found an old box hidden inside a wooden drawer. Inside it was a single jute rose, dusty and faded paper with faded writing. The writer said, "For the one who finds this, follow the thread and you will find what you seek." What did it mean? Whose rose was it? Why was it hidden? Alina curiously woke up something inside her. Take your jute rope, cut small pieces and roll them gently into tight spirals. These are your rose petals. As you roll, press the edges with glue to secure the shape. Each petal you make has its own personality, just like Alina, who holds the old jute, was trying to understand its unspoken message. Alina showed the old rose to her grandmother. Her grandmother's eyes softened. It belonged to someone who believed in hope, she whispered, but she did not say anything more. In all that, Rose was hiding a story, maybe a forgotten love, a secret promise, or a message someone never delivered. So she decided to redecorate the same rose. Maybe it would reveal something. Now start attracting the petals one by one. Begin from the center, add a petal around it, adjust the layers so the rose looks natural and soft. Let it blossom slowly in your hand, just like Alina curiosity blooming into determination. She made a rose, then another and another, but nothing happened until one day, while tapping her teeth, her tenth jute rose, the noticed something inside the old one, and thin threads sticking out, almost invisible. She gently untwisted she old jute petals, and inside she found a second hidden letter, a letter written great ago to my grandmother. If one day you feel lost, make a jute rose, follow the layers. You will find your strength in every fold.